I just got the crazy opportunity to fly the SkySurfer aircraft in the new Spider-Man movie as the real Green Goblin. Growing up, I was always super jealous watching the Green Goblin soaring through the air in Times Square. I've been working my whole life literally to make this moment possible, where we're going to recreate the exact scene from the Spider-Man movie in New York City in Times Square. We're celebrating by throwing $5,000 in real cash off of a building in New York City. We posted a video that said come for free money, and it's crazy how many people are starting to show up. I destroyed the SkySurfer aircraft in my last video and had to rebuild it in the back of a car while my friend drove us both here all the way from Los Angeles to New York City. So thanks for following the journey. That's how we ended up here, and hit subscribe for more.
This was the crazy scene as a guy rides a hoverboard above Times Square. The pigeons were like, who is that?
Man behind the mask, Hunter Kowald.
Hunter Kowald.
Hunter Kowald.
His technology trending across the world.
Are you the Green Goblin from Spider-Man? Yes or no?
We're downtown New York City in Times Square. We're gonna try and find a place where we can toss money off of the roof.
But I think we're gonna get a crazy reaction. This is the hard part, just finding the roof, because we're in like the middle of Times Square. But dude, all it takes is confidence. You're sneaking it anywhere.
What is this, about 100K in cash?
Yeah.
Step 1 is to find the tallest building and see how high we can get. Luckily, I know an architect which was able to get me blueprints.
I'm an architect!
To the tallest building in Times Square that has a balcony.
So in Times Square, we just snuck up an elevator with some other people, but now we're kind of trapped up on the 34th floor. I don't even know how tall this building is. How tall is it? Since we don't have key cards, we have to keep jumping in the elevator behind people and climbing our way up to the top.
Dude, worst comes to worst, I already found a stairway, so we're just double prepared right now. Let's
We
go.
found a door leading onto the roof.
This is a little bit more sus. Wait, should we do it or not? Let's see if this locks.
It ended up locking us in some type of cage up here. This is the outside right here.
We wanted to do it off that balcony deck rather than like the total roof, right?
I lost my friend for about an hour because I had to take a call with a TV network about building a show around the SkySurfer aircraft. I called my friend to find him, and I couldn't believe it because it actually sounds like he got to the roof.
Okay, and you said you found a balcony there? Like it's open?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's pretty crazy.
Alright, I'm coming. So I'll be over there. So the idea is you can throw it straight over this balcony and everybody's below. So I'm trying to be like super secretive and quiet about this. So what's going through your head?
Dude, I'm just nervous. There's like a lot of people throwing a lot of money. It's like, it's gonna cause a scene. I just hope no one gets mad.
This is legit. We're so high up, dude. This is like perfect for what you're doing.
Dude, my heart's pounding.
So here's the plan. I'm gonna run down there. I'm gonna get some clips of him dropping this thing onto the ground. Dude, these people are gonna flip, especially that entire group right there. So we should go now before that group breaks up. Let's go. I'm going downstairs to record people's reactions, but I have to start running because I just noticed there's a sign on the balcony that says it closes in 10 minutes. So I am running. It looks like the balcony is gonna be closing in 2 minutes. Now that we had a plan, I posted an update to my YouTube story to let everybody know where to look. Word started to spread crazy fast. So I'm just waiting for Kaz to toss the money. I don't know what he's doing right now. I feel like he might have gotten busted or kicked out. That'd be terrible. We've been planning this thing for hours. All of a sudden, it started to rain money.
Let's go!
Everybody was laughing, and it was crazy how fast all of the money was immediately picked up and disappeared.
Yo, Kaz, they're coming up for you. You know that, right?
I know, we gotta go.
Yeah, dude. They're looking for you right now. Success!
I have to fly the SkySurfer aircraft in Times Square tomorrow morning as the real Green Goblin.
Everyone's gonna be like, you're the guy who flew like the Green Goblin?
Nobody's gonna know that till they see the movie. So this is gonna be a battle to explain. We went to check out the location one last time to make sure all of our logistics like security, barricades, parking, and transport vehicles are in place and ready to go.
We're running back to the hotel. We're gonna grab the car, get back here as fast as we can with the SkySurfer aircraft. We're gonna get this video and it's gonna be incredible. What's up, guys? Today, we're gonna start hunting off a building. Okay, I'm down.
The SkySurfer aircraft is so big that we cracked a motor again by hitting a wall in the elevator.
So we're inside this elevator, and I'd like to say we figured this out by now, but we definitely have not.
I flew with it broken yesterday at a J Balvin and Skrillex music video, but it causes me to spin. This took 2 hours in the back of a car to replace.
That was brutal. Oh my god, dude.
It's okay, it's gonna be worth it. Let's go fly in Times Square.
Yeah, let's do it.
Driving back, and they're gonna hold onto the drone that's attached to the rooftop.
Yeah, it sounds like a terrible idea.
This is so freaking exciting.
And then it started raining.
Starting to rain. Great.
What's the status?
It's raining slightly more now.
The parts wear down faster in the rain, and too much would cause about $15,000 in damages.
I'm scared to go out there. It's 3 a.m. right now. We have 3 videographers here like 2 hours ago.
over into Times Square, the same area we got a room for.
I'm checking around the corner and we're gonna send it off. This is gonna be insane. Can everyone help stop? Thank you so much. We appreciate y'all. Insane! Let's go!
It turns out a random person here is recording to post videos of this flight right after, and unfortunately they take credit for everything. We made Green Goblin a #1 trending topic around the world on mainstream news, and no one knew what was going on.
One more time for everybody.